Yo, me.
Yo, what you saying, bro?
I'm good. You?
Yeah, not too bad, man.
What time entries I use?
Man, literally just going through the charts right now, bro.
Uh,
What you saying? How was your day?
it was calm, but school was stress, man. Just
I
stress.
hear you, man. It's got to be done, man.
Yeah. And what's macro level?
Macro is basically just looking at things from a bigger picture perspective. So instead of taking in just the crypto market, you're taking in all sort of global markets, sentiment around investment in general compared to just looking at crypto. If you're talking about crypto macro, so you're looking more at trends in terms of like the different projects and how they move. For example, like the metaverse trend where we got like Sand, Decentraland, and all those projects pumping after like Facebook rebranded as Meta. So and then literally all the projects that came out sort of on the back of that. That's basically one trend. And then you've got the NFT trend, how like you got the Ethereum boom in NFTs, and then you got all like Solana, not so much Binance, but Solana. I think H bar had a little NFT trend, and yeah, just really just things like that. Using sort of more higher level analysis to base your trades on instead of just technical analysis.
Does COVID
It's a
take
bit,
effect in that? Like lockdowns and that?
yeah. So COVID would take an effect in, or has taken effect in crypto markets in one of two ways. So what you see is when investors see risk in the market, so they think there's like a slowdown in possible like in the bullishness of a global market due to COVID and the slowdown of economy, they'll start selling because like stocks, shares, some forex currencies, and really the crypto market in general are like high risk assets. So they're more volatile. You have a larger chance of gain, but you also have a larger chance of risk as well. So they're seen as what's called high beta, which just means they're more volatile. And usually, what you see is when when sort of there's risk seen in the market, you'll see crypto sell off first. You might see signs of it in sort of like the stock markets, indices, and things like that. Something I've talked about a bit in the chat is like yields as being an indicator, like
Yeah.
US government yields being an indicator to a change in risk. You might see for example, the US 10-year yields, you might see the yields drop as people move money back into bonds. And just the more people buying bonds, the reduction of percentage yield that goes into them. So the yields drop. But right now, yields are actually, I think they're doing well. from in terms of the trend that I was seeing from like the start of COVID. Yeah, so we got a nice trend here. The market sort of come back up and back above what I would say was like the like in a sense bearish COVID trend line. So we got the drop here in like January, December in yields, and we got sort of, this is pretty much like the start of the crypto bull run. Is essentially in like July, August 2020. So right now yields are doing well. I don't think we're doing too well in shares. I think we got a decent run today, but we also got, I think, the dollar. Is the dollar selling off? So the dollar's just slightly selling off from these levels. So in terms of like the bigger picture, we could see a run in crypto if you